Speedy Fit Height Course. Growing taller is a problem nowadays. If you are worried about your height, come to Tafsir Dwakhana to get solution of your problem, or consult with Hakeem and Dr. Tariq Mahmood Tafsir. Grow taller, increase your height by increasing your own natural growth. Speedy Fit Height Course is 100% natural, safe nutritional supplement. Increase height quickly and naturally for men and women. Speedy Fit Height Course stimulate natural growth, increase bone strength, increase energy level and exercise endurance, increase height, growing taller fast, provides building blocks for healthy joints and discs, improve joint function, reduce pains. Speedy Fit Height Course is 100% herbal preparation with 100% natural ingredient. Speedy Fit Height Course is a scientifically proven revolutionary height enhancing supplement that is balanced, timed released vitamins and nutrients needed for height growth for children, teenagers, women and men. Tafsir Dwakhana provide the highest quality product possible to our client. Use Speedy Fit Height Course 9 to 12 months to get your desired height growth. Speedy Fit Height Course price is $4,800.
Welcome to Tafsir Dwakhana, dear patient. This is for your kind information. If you want to contact or call to Tafsir Dwakhana, our call time is 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., Friday off. Hakeem and Dr. Tariq Mahmood Tafsir, consultant sexologist, alternative medicine specialist, expert, male and female, infertility, chairman, Tafsir Patient Welfare Society, 0334-9552889, 0300-9552889, 0321-9552889. You can contact to Tafsir Medical Board, Hakeems and lady doctors, for consultation about the old, complicated and hidden sexual problems, male and female infertility, and all general diseases. Our contact numbers are given below: 0333-5501390, 0323-5501390. For free consultation. Erection stiffness, duration, erectile dysfunction, lose erection, please contact on these numbers: 0332-5607654, 0331-5607654. For free consultation regarding penis enlargement treatment, bent penis, curvature penis, small penis, please contact on these numbers: 0337-7007101, 0332-7007101. Female consultation, women health issues, lecorrhea, periods problem, small breast, male and female infertility, and all general height, weight, lose, weight gain. Please contact on these numbers: 0336-5777696. For female consultation, women health issues, height, lecorrhea, periods problem, small breast size, pregnancy, male and female infertility, all general diseases. Please contact on these numbers: 0336-5777697, 0332-1500540. In case of any emergency, you can contact directly to Dr. Tariq Mahmood Tafsir. 0332-15005480 0332-15005449. Address: Taysir Dawakana and Taysir Herbal Pharma, I-111 Iqbal Road, attached, Punjab Bank, near Comedy Chowk, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Websites: www.tasirdawakana.com, www.tasirlabs.com, www.drtariqtasir.com, www.tasirlab.com, www.tasirherbalpharma.com.